how to fix the can't reach this page error in Microsoft Edge. So, if you're trying to visit a website but it won't load and you keep seeing this error message, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix it. First, click the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of Microsoft Edge, then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Privacy, Search, and Services, and then select Clear Browsing Data. Change the time range to All Time, then click Clear Now. Once that's finished, go back to the website and check if the problem has been resolved. If the website still isn't loading, open the Start menu on your computer and search for Settings. Open it, then select Network and Internet from the left-hand side. Scroll down and click Proxy. If Automatically Detect Settings is enabled, toggle it off. Next, open the Start menu again and search for View Network Connections. Open it, then right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses, then enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. Click OK to save the changes. Now, try visiting the website again to see if it loads correctly. If you're still having trouble, open the Start menu and go back to Settings. Select Network and Internet, then click VPN. If you're currently connected to a VPN, try disconnecting or disabling it, and then check the website again. Finally, go back to Network and Internet and select Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and find Network Reset. Click Reset Now, then select Yes to confirm. After the network reset is complete, restart your computer. Once it starts back up, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and open Microsoft Edge. You should now be able to access websites without seeing the can't reach this page error.